हेलो एवरीवन, न्यू चैप्टर कार्डियोलॉजी पार्ट 3 शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कॉमनेस्ट कॉज ऑफ पल्सस पैरोक्टस इज ए पेरिकार्डियल इफ्यूजन, बी एडेसिव पेरिकार्डाइटिस, सी कंस्ट्रक्टिव पेरिकार्डाइटिस एंड डी पाइलोपेरिकार्डियम। राइट ऑप्शन इज ए पेरिकार्डियल इफ्यूजन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज continuous murmur is seen in A PTA, B AV malformation, C AP window and D all of above. Right answer is D all of above. Next question is all of the following are usual feature of left atrial maxilla except A raised ESR, B pyrexia, C Magli enlarged left atrium and D systemic embolism. Right option is C markedly enlarged left atrium. Next question is commonest cause of right ventricular failure is A carponale, B pulmonary involvement, C endomyocardial fibrosis and D LVF. Right option is D LVF. Next question is anacarotid pulse is felt in A AR, B MR, C MS and D AS. Right option is D AS. Next question is the critical narrowing of coronary vessels to cause angina is more than A 50%, B 60%, C 70% and D 80%. Right option is D 80%. Next question is atherosclerosis is coronary circulation most commonly affect A LAD artery, B left circumflex, C right coronary and D all of the above. Right option is A LAD artery. Next question is pulsus paroxysmus is seen in A mitral stenosis, B atrial fibrillation, C aortic stenosis and D asthma. Right option is D asthma. Next question is endotoxic shock is due to A gram positive bacteria, B gram negative endobacteria, C viruses and D gas gangrene. Right option is B gram negative enterobactery. Next question is in aortic regurgitation the left ventricle is A hypertrophic, B dilated, C small and D atrophic. Right option is B dilated. Next question is Graham steel murmur occurs in A pulmonary regurgitation, B aortic stenosis and C CCF and D hypertension. Right option is A pulmonary regurgitation. Next question is hemoptysis is seen in A aortic stenosis, B pulmonary stenosis, C mitral stenosis and D tricuspid stenosis. Right option is C mitral stenosis. Next question is myocardial infarction most often result in A MS, B AR, C AS and D MR. Right option is D MR. Next question is right coronary artery supplies all except A apex of heart, B interventricular septum, C interarterial septum and D SC node. Right option is A apex of heart. Next question is the tumor which most commonly metastasize to the heart is A ALL, B NHL, C bronchogenic carcinoma, C malignant melanoma. Right option is C bronchogenic carcinoma. Next question is atherosclerosis is inversely proportional to A LDL level, B VLDL level, C chylomicron level and D HDL level. Right option is D HDL level. Next question is aortic regurgitation is seen in all except A rheumatic fever, B infective endocarditis, C Marfan syndrome and D MI. Right option is D MI. Next question is the most frequent cause of peripheral cyanosis is A interarterial septum defect, B methemoglobin anemia, C interstitial pulmonary fibrosis and D slowed circulation through the skin. The right option is D slowed circulation through the skin. Next question is enzyme appearing last in MI is A. CPK, B. LDH, C. SGOT, and D. SGPT. Right option is B. LDH. Next question is the component of phallocterology are A. VSD, B. Pulmonary stenosis, C. Right ventricular hypertrophy, and D. All. Right option is D. All. Next question is P wave in ECG disappears in A. Atrial tachycardia, B. Atrial flutter, C. Atrial fibrillation, and D. Mitral valve prolapse. Right option is C. Atrial fibrillation. Right. The next question is RBBB with left axis deviation is characteristic of A. Ostium primum ASD, B. Mitral valve prolapse, C. Patient ductus arteriosus, D. Ventricular septum defect. Right option is A. Ostium primum ASD. Next question is ESG feature of ventricular aneurysm following MI is NR persistent, A. ST elevation, B. ST depression, C. U wave, and D. T wave. Right option is A. ST elevation. And next question is left atrial myxoma is best diagnosed by ECG, cardiac catheterization, C. echocardiogram, and D. chest X-ray. The right option is C. echocardiogram. Next question is the commonest rheumatic valvular disease is AMR, B. AMS, C. TR, and D. AS. Right option is AMR. Next question is coarctation of aorta is associated with all except A. bicuspid aortic valve, B. Turner syndrome, C. renal artery stenosis, and D. PGA. The right option is C. renal artery stenosis. Next question is cardiac tamponade is characterized by all except A. hypertension, B. Fluxus paradoxus, C. regular pulse, and D. reduced pulse pressure. Right option is C. irregular pulse. Next question is what are the ECG changes in hyperkalemia? A. U wave, B. short ST segment, and C. tall T wave, D. none. Right option is C. tall wave. Next question is true regarding mitral valve prolapse syndrome is all except A. common in female, B. mostly symptomatic, C. high incidence of arrhythmia, D. transient cerebral ischemia occur. Right option is B. mostly symptomatic. Next question is cardiac abnormality seen with Noonan's syndrome is A. VSD, B. ASD, C. pulmonary stenosis, D. coarctation of aorta. Right option is C. pulmonary stenosis. Next question is aortic regurgitation does not occur in acute MI, B. Marfan syndrome, C. RHD, D. infective endocarditis. The right option is acute MI. Next question is not a feature of infective endocarditis is A. myocardial abscess, B. vegetation along cusps, and B. thrombus in left atria, B. perforation of cusps. Right option is C. thrombus in left atria. Next question is infective endocarditis is most commonly seen in A. ASD, B. VSD, C. PDA, and D. pulmonary stenosis. Right option is B. VSD. Next question is all are ECG finding in Wolff Parkinson's White syndrome except A. narrow QRS complex, B. normal QT interval, C. slurred and tall QRS, D. short PR interval. Right option is A. narrow QRS complexes. Next question is hemoglobin F is raised in A. juvenile chronic myeloid leukemia, B. hereditary spherocytosis, C. congenital red cell aplasia, D. myasthenia gravis. Right option is A. juvenile chronic myeloid leukemia. Next question is mitral stenosis is associated with A. right ventricular hypertrophy, B. left ventricular hypertrophy, C. left axis deviation, and D. QRS complex. Right option is A. right ventricular hypertrophy. Next question is most common cause of LVH is A. MS, B. MR, C. hypertension, D. mitral valve prolapse. Right option is C. hypertension. Next question is cause of death in PDA in adult. A. infective endocarditis, B. CCF, C. arrhythmias, D. embolism. Right option is A. infective endocarditis. Next question is severity of mitral stenosis is assessed by A. loud opening snap, B. length of murmur, C. loud S, and D. splitting S2. Right option is D. length of murmur. Next question is loud S1 in mitral stenosis is seen in A. prolonged flow through mitral valve, B. first degree heart block, C. calcification of the valve, and D. embolization of the valve. Right option is A. prolonged flow through mitral valve. Next question is rib notching is seen in all except A. correction of aorta, B. classical block Torging operation, C. IVC obstruction, and D. neutrofibromatosis. Right option is C. IVC obstruction. Next question is vegetation of undersurface of AV valve are found in A. acute rheumatic carditis, B. Liebman-Sack endocarditis, C. non-thrombotic bacterial endocarditis, D. chronic rheumatic carditis. Right option is B. Liebman-Sack endocarditis. Next question is a patient complain of intermittent claudication, dizziness, and headache. Likely cardiac lesion is A. TOF, B. ASG, C. PDA, and D. correction of aorta. Right option is D. correction of aorta. Next question is risk factor for coronary artery disease. A. increased HDL, B. decreased LDL, C. increased homocysteine level, and D. decreased fibrinogen level. Right option is C. increased homocysteine level. Next question is C wave in JVP correspond to A. atrial systole, B. ventricular systole, C. atrial diastole, and D. ventricular diastole. Right option is B. ventricular systole. Next question is rheumatic heart disease can be diagnosed on the basis of A. Ashof's body, B. vegetation along the lines of closure of valves, next endocardial involvement only, D. follows skin and throat infection. Right option is A. Ashof's body. Next question is ST elevation is seen in all the following conditions except A. myocardial infarction, B. coronary artery spasm, C. constructive pericarditis, D. ventricular aneurysm. Right option is C. constructive pericarditis. Next question is the commonest inheritant of congenital heart disease is A. autosomal dominant, B. autosomal recessive, C. sex linked dominant, and D. multifactorial. Right option is D. multifactorial. Next question is true about acute rheumatic fever all except A. chorea, B. arthritis, C. carditis, and D. arrhythmia nodosum. Right option is D. arrhythmia nodosum. Next and last question is wide split second heart sound is seen in A. ASD, B. LBB, C. PDA, D. MR. The right option is A. ASD. Thank you so much. Please like.